All right, look straight at me. Put your chin down. All right, good. Look straight at me. Okay, your head to this side. Your head to this side now. Okay. Okay, chin down, chin down. Up a bit. All right, good. I'm gonna take the picture now. Okay, one. Relax, relax. Give me that smile. Give me that smile. Let's go. Today I woke up in the morning and I was thinking, okay, I want to do a photo shoot, and this has been on my mind and I just don't know which one I want to do. Now, recently I've been doing gels, and I would like to do something about gels, but I don't want to do what I've been doing before. So with this photo shoot in particular, I didn't have anything in mind, but I really wanted to spend the day to just, try out some gels, some positioning, and especially with the light. And I also plan to just like fall light. And so, but at the end of the day, I was like, what can I do? How can I just mix the light up, getting, those gels together and getting some beautiful images. And at the end of the day, I just started setting up my gears. I started setting up the light. And as I was doing, then I started to get some inspirations. Then also, I just look on my phone and I look on Pinterest and I just try to look for inspiration here and there. And this actually, the setup and everything kind of took me about an hour to kind of get everything to where I wanted to be. And then even at that, it still took me around another extra 20 minutes in between to kind of adjust the light and to move things around. And this is the kind of photo shoot that I didn't use light meter, and I just kind of like, okay, in the beginning, I didn't even have a clue of what I wanted to do, but I just had it in mind that I wanted to do something. I want to do something fun. I want to get some gels together. That's all I had in mind. Like, I just wanted to do something with gels, and I didn't want to do what I want to do before. And I also want to mix the gel. I think that's the most important thing, because you said recently I did a photo shoot about gels, but this one, I just want to mix the gel together. And also I want to create a little bit of dramatic images. I also want to do some light control to just make sure that the images come out good and nice. And at the end of the day, I decided a photo shoot, set up a light. Eventually I use 4 lights. So I have one light that is eating my backdrop, and I have, at the start, I have one light just in front with a grid on it. Then I have one like on this angle right here, and later on I move this light here to the front on the other side, just to lit up like the chain, just a kiss of light on this other side. But on this side, I'll have in my main light with a grid, and also I have on the underground light at the back. This side of the brand is eating the backdrop, and there's a light on top right there, just right there. That's the second light. So it took me a while to be able to get how I want the light to look, because I keep taking pictures, then I have to reset, taking a reset, and also I have to deal with the positioning of my subject as well to make sure that everything works out well. Now I'm going to pull some of the images on the screen right now, on the behind the scenes. All right, look straight at me. Put your chin down. All right, good. Look straight at me. Okay, your head to this side. Your head to this side now. Okay. Okay, chin down, chin down. Up a bit. All right, good. I'm gonna take the picture now. Okay, one. Relax, relax. Give me that smile. Give me that smile. Let's go.
So here are some of the images that I took. I think they look amazing. Guys, let me know what you think about those images. I did do a little bit of finessing in Photoshop for, I think, 2 of the backdrop. For most part, I didn't do editing on these images. I just did a little bit in Capture One, and that was it. And so guys, those are the images that we took, some of them.
You guys will be able to see a little bit of behind the scenes. So, but at the end of the day, I think I got some amazing photos. And I want you guys to tell me about these images, if you like them, and tell me what you like about them, what you don't like about them. And also, I would just like to hear from you guys how you guys use your gel. And also, if you have any images that you want to share, also, you can go ahead and share them as well. But for me, I was just creating these images for fun. This is not a paid photo shoot or like a client thing. I was just doing this just to improve myself, just to learn, because if you as a photographer are not learning every day, and then there's a problem. So it's not every time you get those paid job or you get a money job, but you still have to go out there. And I'm encouraging you, if you're watching this one, or you're a photographer, or even in any field, you need to keep kind of practicing, learning more about your field, about your industry, and also keep practicing, because I think we all consume a lot and we practice less. And I feel like if you're consuming for 2 hours, then you should be practice practicing for 4 hours. So for me, I think going out there, just taking photos, just, you know, experimenting, just trying different methods, trying different things, you know, because I don't want to do the same thing all the time, because that will help me in case I have a client in front of me, in case I have a paid shoot, in case I have like a big client. And so I have all these skills being merged together because I've done it before. Then I can put those practice even into practice and be able to get those job done at the end of the day. And I think this, you know, the photo shoot itself, I think it went good, and the images, I like them. They look great, they look good. Yeah, so, and that's all I want to share with you guys today. Please, if you enjoy this review, please just, you know, smash that like button for me. I appreciate it a lot, because that will keep a channel like me keep growing, and also YouTube will be able to recommend my channel to other people as well. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on this particular review today. Until next time, I say, guys, say bye bye.